Get your PT fool.
Yeah, I finished this too video, like shit that's for blue nigga. What the?
Fuck. Are you a bitch?
Yo, where we start? Oh, yo, green drop, green drop. We gotta get maps. We gotta get maps first.
Making me do your work.
I mean, I don't have a saddle. Well, that's how was that?
Yeah, you got the godlike bird.
What is this? What? Well, I mean, you have
Yeah.
stuff.
Look, a what? 140 PT right here. I'm about to knock this one out. Oh shit, it's female. We need this. Yeah, headshot not knocked out. I don't give a shit. Fuck. Hey. Enemies?
Yeah. What, can we not reveal our location, deadass?
Enemy chopper head ass.
Enemy. Whoa.
Bro, Scooby, you should have been there when I fought the kid. Shit was crazy. No, you should. Well, I mean, if you lived in Cali.
Oh yeah.
You want to know like the whole backstory? Alright. So this man was taking pictures of me, right? Yeah, for real. And then the 2 days later, you know, it was on a Wednesday. Me and my friend, we're gonna go confront him about it. He instantly drops his bag, like, let's fight, you know. But I didn't fight him that day. Then the next day during lunch, me and my big ass group of friends, we all go to him, and then we confront him. No. Shut that. Head ass. Anyways, me and my friends go back to him during lunch, and then he drops his bag again immediately. Anyways, he drops his bag again, and then he's like, "Let's fight, right?" Like, and then like a minute or two later, yeah. And then like a minute or two later, like I fucking kick him in the leg, and I just sock him in the face. And then I know, I can't kick with that leg. Yeah, you're right. Anyways, and then he put me in a headlock. This fucker starts pulling my hair instead. And then he tries to push me in the tree, and one of my good friends, he comes up behind him and just rocks him. That shit was just crazy.
Oh, look, you're right there. Wait, did you run here?
Which one are you taking?
No.
Oh, we on him.
Which one are you taking?
Crossfit.
I don't know. I don't care. I don't give a shit.
Just chill.
I don't know. Same thing. I don't know. Just pick whichever one's closest to you.
I'm probably gonna end the thingy after boss fight.
Alright.
You just chill and just build.
Alright, come on, Elijah. We on
Let's
him.
get this shit.
Frozen still.
Alright. Ready to go after Brood Mother first.
Alright, let's get this shit.
They're both there.
Are you coming down my side? Yeah, okay.
Only 10 veggie cakes in the drop now.
They both there.
Damn it, they're both coming. I'm just typing that thing and I'm freaking doing damage.
Only 10 veggie cakes in the drop now.
Come here.
Yeah, just
Oh.
distract the monkey. I call it brood mother. We on him. Oh, but there's hella freaking little minion thingies. Oh.
Oh!
You bastard, bastard. Now I'm just gonna get hit from the freaking back.
He's like,
Ooh, suelta, ho.
bro. Shit rock the monkey.
I just gotta turn around. Bop you. Bop y'all.
Nobody's watching anymore.
Nobody's watching anymore.
Oh, hella Renio's on me.
Still have to kill him.
No, because I mean, Tom was dead.
Yeah, I see.
I stunned that. It's. What the? Look where I'm at, man.
I need to turn on my music.
I got to get the small runners off the start there. I'm coming, guys. Actually, I got to freaking the sticky icky on.
I just want more.
I'm here, I'm here. Oh.
Bruh. Again.
No, legend.
My thing, you have to
Bruh.
take a shit.
Again.
I would get hit by that.
Are you shitting me? How'd that little ass move? I'm finna get shitted on. Oh god, Elijah ran behind me. Hit the shit behind me.
My thing had to get shit. I would get hit by that.
You're a brown fine. Check it. Come on, something wrong with that. What the?
We both went flying.
Come on, all you, Elijah.
What do you say?
Nah, that's why I'm gonna get this before you. I want it. Let's go.
Come outside, come outside. Yep.
Don't take anything out of the drop. Off Raptor.
Oh,
Where do you go off from it?
That's right here too.
Alright,
Yep,
then.
there.
Just going down right here. Back up, back it up, back it up.
If they're up.
What's up, bro?
Don't take anything out of
Get
it.
the video.
Yeah. What are they attacking?
Yeah,
Off rep.
I got the rep.
That's a right. Oh, it is an Alpha Raptor.
Alright, Link.
I mean, it's thinking though. These robots are thinking. No, hop off my boy. Hop off my boy. Ugh. I can't hit this RG. What the hell? I'm hitting it at point blank.
Get the theory out.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Got the rip. Get the theory.
Oh yeah, say it.
Bye.
Oh, bro.
Be like that sometimes.
Nice. We out here. It was 219. Wow. Yeah. Freaking funny how time really passed on our See, when you're playing Siege, time doesn't move fast. You know, you're just playing. Alright, time doesn't pass. Let's go. We out here.
I gotta drop a lot of shit in my inventory. What we need for the gen.
Gen mate.
No, I need to sort of pop vertebrae. Where it could be able to reach everything. I want it to be able to reach the outside cliff that. Yeah. Definitely gonna be able to reach the outside.
Alright. Just me.
Yo, in this bag, like shit for a boss fight if you want it. This bag, but it's also mixed with a bunch of other shit. Alright. Here, since we got that,